Hello everyone, welcome to the Jquery Tutorials. So in this tutorial we will talk about change event. So change event is the event when you changes the value of a particular element, then the change event fires. And that event fires basically when you are going out of that particular control, means we say lost focus from that control, that event get fired. To to show it in example, so let me take here some say course, and here I'm taking one input element, input type equals to say text, and ID I will give as txt course, and that's it. And I will take one element, say one more, say input course, and say fees. So here I'll take input type equals to text, ID equals to txt fee. Okay, and to display the result, let me take one div element, div, and I'll give div ID, say div1. Okay, and that's it. So we have now these three elements, two text boxes and one div control. So when my document is ready, what I want to do, let me take a variable here, variable, and I'll say change value, something, right? And I will just initialize with the blank. And what I need to do, I need to search the element. So I want to search the element text. Or I can say here, say I want to do first on the basis of course. So I'll say hash course, search this element, okay, and apply the change event. So in this event, I want to execute an anonymous method. Okay, so here what I need to do, I will take one more variable here, or we can use the change value. Change value equals to this dot 12. So I want to retrieve the value of this, right? Or you can, because we are taking only one txt course, you can take txt course as well. So once this change event is fired, what else I want? I want that value should be populated into my div1. So I'll say hash div1, right, dot html, and I want to put the change value. Okay, so that's it. Let us save it and let us run it. Okay, so here you can see we have the jQuery text boxes. So I have written for the jQuery, or in small letter jQuery. So as soon as I come to fees, my div get populated. So change event is fired, and I'm saying save. is 5,000. So, but this will not fire because we have applied it onto the text box. Now I want to apply it for the all the text boxes. Okay, so I want to apply it on the all the text boxes. What I will do, I will select the input colon text. So now it will be applied to all the text boxes, and what we are saying that change value equal to this dot value. Now this keyword is more appropriate here because now we don't know what is the element we are selecting. Okay, so now here I would say I want to append into the div. So I'll say one if condition here. If change value equals to empty, right? Then change value equals to this dot value, right? Else change value equals to change value plus equals to, and I will put a comma over here, plus this dot value. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, if change value in the when I select first element, it will be blank. So I say change value equals to this dot value if it is blank, so no concatenation. But when it selects the other value, then we will say the plus comma and then this dot value. So let's save it and let's run it. So now here we are having course. I say jQuery. Okay, so div is populated with this, and I say 5,000. So once I come out of this, it will say jQuery 5,000. And now it depends upon you if you want to apply the change event for multiple elements. You can select different approaches. Like for example, I have input elements here, but you have a text area, and that text area is not a input element. So what you can do, you can apply that by using any selector methods, like you can use a class, right? You say class equals to change required something. So you say class equals to change required to each and every element where you want to fire this particular event, and then instead of input text, you can put that class selector. Thank you for watching this, and please do not forget to subscribe.